Old Blue Boy was making some sweet smoke, so I took him in for a checkup with a doctor of cars, name of Dr. Frank.
What in the heck is going on in here? This ain't no Steiger. Well, what this is a Ford 5000. We took the hood off. We've already started working on it, but we just picked this up maybe a couple weeks ago. We changed the front tire, we put a new fuel injection pump in it, and this thing only has one more issue, which is the clutch. It drives right now, but when you put it under load, the clutch slips, so it's worn out. We're gonna take this tractor and split it apart and then get a new clutch for it, because we need a good baler tractor. That's what this is gonna be. So I'm trying to get a grill for it, and if I can't find one, you know, local, then we're gonna make one, and then we're gonna paint it up while it's split apart or something along those lines. So we've already done a lot of the work here. We've taken apart a lot of the stuff. We've pulled the starter off, pulled some of the things off. We got all the things disconnected, those little electronic things. So it's ready to pull. We've got just the bolts holding it, the transmission housing bolts. So we'll pull those off and then we'll separate the tractor. We'll pull it forward. Right now the front's on the jack and the back's on, well, the front's on a floor jack, the one's on the other, bottleneck jack. So we'll be pulling this thing apart and you'll see how we do it. And yeah, I'm excited to get this thing going. This is gonna be a good tractor, hopefully. It's got all the weights on it. It's got the full weight package, just missing the front weights. So let's take the bolts out and pull this thing forward.
Oh, I think maybe you gotta lift this middle back. Yeah, go ahead.
You think we need a pry bar?
No, it's just needs to come up evenly and then okay, let's try it. Oh, you pull in a little bit?
Yeah.
Lift yours up a little. Hold it. Okay. We have some. Ouch. I thought it was cracking together. Okay. Okay, that's far enough probably.
Oh, wow, yeah, that's good. Looky here. We have split a tractor. Success. Drop
I
that.
can't. It's okay,
Just keep yeah. You keep doing that head.
Here, you touch this and go measure this. Well, just wait.
How worn is that?
It's a 25 spline and probably looks like a 12. It'd be nice if it was a 13, but this thing got the big engine, so. I guess it's the big engine.
That's kind of what I was saying, but.
Well, I kind of thought what we were going to do.
At least the rear main seal's not leaking.
Oh, you think the clutch is bad? Let's look at the clutches. Yeah, it does. You see it's original here. It's not like.
It's not bad.
No, I think it probably needed to be adjusted.
Yeah, that
So,
guy. Previous owner
I
didn't know
checked
what
the
he was
slack,
talking
there's
about.
barely any slack in there. So, I don't know.
I don't know what's going
We're
on.
just gonna replace it. Yeah.
Yeah, we're just gonna get a new one. Yeah. I mean, we're already here. We already split the dang tractor. There's no going back now. So let's just get a new clutch, new throwout bearing, and all that. Here we are with the new clutch, new pressure plate.
These are the shims.
Got a plastic liner here for lining up the packs and stuff. New bearing. Steel one. Let's figure out how to put this on and get this tractor going. It's gone down. How's that for a homemade press? If you ain't got a press, you just improvise. You got a 20,000-pound tractor. Use that weight. It's the right one. I don't think it's the right clutch. Don't look right to me. Oh, hold on. Cool. Hold it. Yeah, make sure the boiler's not gonna hit it. So far the hook is I think syncing it up together. That's it. It's time to put everything back together.
Ready?
Turn it on, Dr. Frank. Give it some gas.
I get it, gas? Yes, more gas!
So much smoke, burning oil.
I have come here to chew bubblegum and kick ass. And I'm all out of bubblegum.
Fine chariot, but where's the horses?
I mean, it runs pretty cool. It's smoky like a World War II tank. We'll call this the Sherman.
I think that's a good name. Definitely.
It's a clunky, junky old Ford 5000. I don't know why it's smoking so much at full throttle or even 3/4. I guess we'll just burn a little bit of oil. Just keep topping it off, see what happens. As long as it pulls the baler. Getting ready to paint it. figured out the clutch works good now. We did a couple of modifications, a little welding here and there. Extended the clutch pedal. And it's ready for some paint now. Just finishing it. Covering anything off that we want. Got our hitch here for the baler. So yeah, gotta paint all this blue. And it's a nice blue. Definitely is. It looks like I slept in too long. We got a graffiti artist over here, and we've got a new used tire to put on this tractor. Now this has the same tread pattern as our ST Panther, but beats this old junker, this long bar, short bar mess. This side's lower than this. So that's gonna look much better on there. And oh yeah, we painted it. Still getting a grill, trying to figure that out. But yeah. Now it's gonna have two good back tires. This side's fine. That's new. You know, the one over there is kind of new, so this will look good.
You need to get that bar, the one that stealing it, whatever. Doing that one.
All right, now that we have the tire on, let's test it out with the angle blade. Look at that.
I see. There's a problem with the gas. Gotta check the gas.
Alright guys, you've made it to the end of the video. As you can see, we got our decals on there. Those came in this week. The grill isn't here yet. It'll be here within the next month. So then we'll have a new grill. Hopefully it's the same kind, because I think there's multiple variants. But overall, the Ford 5000 is here. It runs, it drives. It doesn't run very great. It's burning a little bit of oil. So we might have to do an engine rebuild on it, but that's no big deal. If we can find a turboed engine like this, we're going to put that in there. I know the Swather 1118, the 1118 Swather, they have a turboed engine of this. So if we can find one cheap, we'll definitely put that in there. But if not, we'll just rebuild it. And then that'll hopefully stop all of its blue smoke. And then overall, the clutch, that was an easy job. There's many videos on YouTube on how to do it. So you just got to start taking it apart and you'll figure it out. The clutch was glazed, the old one, because the previous owner said that the clutch was messed up and that it was slipping and this and that. I don't really know if it was glazed, but it looked okay. It looked like someone put a clutch in it some time ago, but it was glazed. So we put a new clutch in there. It's running and driving good now. Paint, decals, grill, some new tires. So it's come a long way. We need this on the baler because we have our other tractor, the 4-wheel drive 7740, but this is definitely a better baler tractor because it's 2-wheel drive and it turns better in the front. So that's kind of why we got it, and it's just awesome to have a Ford 5000. Wish it was a 6000, but let's not get greedy here. So overall, the restoration on this, I guess if you could call it restorations, went pretty well. So next, our plans are we're going to take the newly restored AC440, we're going to exchange it with our other one, bring that home, work on that, and then if we have time, work on the PTA. But let's focus on one thing at a time. We're going to switch the AC440s. That'll probably be the next video next month, and then that'll be that. This tractor will sit here, and if we ever have a time for videos on it, we'll shoot some. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching the video, and we'll see you next time. Peace out, guys.